In the heart of winter's icy embrace, a silent promise lingers. Winter, though seemingly eternal, is a transient visitor. The frosty landscape, though dormant, conceals the promise of renewal beneath its snowy veil. As winter's chill persists, the world waits. Life lies in patient slumber, ready to burst forth when the sun's warmth returns. Change is inevitable, and no winter lasts forever. Gradually, the days lengthen, and the sun asserts its dominance. The thaw begins, revealing the earth beneath. Life stirs, buds cautiously emerge, and the landscape transforms into a canvas of hues, a testament to the triumph of life over the harshest seasons. Just as spring unfailingly follows winter, life's narrative unfolds in chapters. Challenges are but interludes in the grand story, and each season change reaffirms resilience. So, in the midst of life's frosty moments, remember the thaw is inevitable, a promise of renewal, growth, and the perennial dance of life welcoming the warmth of spring.